And good evening. This is Gideon 300, and I'm coming to you live on Thursday, September 30th, 2021. And I just wanted to share some information on, my position right now with cryptocurrency, everything that's going on with cryptocurrency. Supposedly, Bitcoin was possibly entering a bear market, but I don't think it's done yet. I think the bull market is still coming in. And just looking at today, we're seeing a turnaround on today, and I believe October is going to be bullish. So we go over here to Trading View, and we look at our chart. This is off the daily right here, and we pretty much can see with this Fibonacci retracement that it's going green today. Today it's going green, and basically on the daily it's up. It's at 43. They were talking about 43 as the key, whether it's going to go below 40. Never went below 40. And yes, there's going to be bit halving going on in 2024. We're in cryptocurrency. We are bullish in general, in terms of cryptocurrency in general. And I'm also on Twitter, Gideon300 on Twitter. And, I just wanted to start talking about what's going on in the crypto market, what's going on in the world in general, and share a little testimony with you guys. So we're over here, we're looking at CoinGecko, and as we can see right here in the charts, basically it's going up. It's going up as of today, and it just turned around. It's in that nice W form right here. Bitcoin's going up. Ethereum's going up. It's holding at 3,000. And I'm from California, and so when we have these discussions, basically sharing a little testimony with you guys. I started in crypto back in 2018 in November. Previously, I've been trading, so I've been a trader on the S&P 500, trading, puts and calls, options trading, and it's been a learning process for me in terms of stock market, but I was just interested in entering more the crypto market at this point, given everything that's going on in the markets. But I wanted to be one of the first people to try and become a crypto millionaire, like a lot of people out there. And I had a dream back in November 2018, sharing a little testimony about, while we're watching which way the Bitcoin's going to go. And in this dream, I saw B. I saw the B, the letter B, and I saw 2 points on top, 2 points on the bottom, and I drew the image of Bitcoin, which at that time, November 2018, I think there was about 1 million people involved in total in cryptocurrency. So there wasn't a lot of people involved in cryptocurrency. This is back in 2018. And so I had the dream. I told a friend, and he's a financial advisor, and basically said, oh, that's cryptocurrency, that's Bitcoin. And I had checked at the time, and the value was $3,500 for one Bitcoin. Well, I had the money to invest at that time, and I was like, well, should I buy one Bitcoin, yes or no? I talked to my family members. They're like, you're crazy. Cryptocurrency is a scam. It's not real. And, don't throw away your money. So I was like, okay, I'm not going to buy a Bitcoin. It was $3,500. 2018. Next thing you know, May 2019, it goes up to about $11,000. I don't know if it was June or July, but it was around there. It goes to $11,000. And I'm kicking myself, and I'm saying to myself, and, I'm trading stocks at the time. And so I was like, oh my God, Bitcoin went up to 11,000, went up to 12,000. Next thing you know, we see Bitcoin going up 30,000 and eventually 65,000, which is where we're at right now. So I got involved in Bitcoin, and I decided, I said, I want to be involved in cryptocurrency. One of the first cryptocurrencies that I got involved in was SHIB, and I bought a bunch of SHIB. Shiba Inu just came out, and I met Shiba Inu supporters online and Twitter, and you know, it was a really good group of people. You know, it's proud to be part of the Shiba Inu team, if you will. And I wanted to see cryptocurrency go up. I wanted to see the coins go up. And so I was involved right there in Shiba Inu. And from there, I pretty much started mining. And I said, you know, I want to do some Ethereum mining. Hopefully, we put up some videos for you guys. Uh, I'm here in California, and I've seen a lot of miners. Very few miners going on right now. Obviously, with all the changes with Ethereum 2.0 coming out, and possibly Ethereum stopping, and you know they plan on stopping out the miners. But I wanted to invest, and I wanted to reproduce crypto in Ethereum, so I started mining right now here in California, and you can imagine the electricity here is outrageous. So my mining rigs are not like the typical mining rigs you see right now on YouTube videos. So I'm hoping to go ahead and share a video with you guys on the way I design my mining rigs, because they are electricity efficient. You know, when you're hanging GPUs off a rack just like that, using risers, they're using a lot of electricity. They're not, I guess they're not concerned about the electricity because in the state they're in or the country they're in, you know, I've talked to a couple miners, their electric bill is really cheap. So mine is like 20 cents a kilowatt. It's insane, guys. So I have to economize my rigs and kind of design them to use more hash rate than anything and less electricity. It's a constant process, you know. So this is a battle we've been going on, but we're producing ETH here in California. We're doing Ethereum, and we've invested also in Cardano. They were talking about Cardano, how Cardano can go up 1,600%, guys. I feel that the Bitcoin halving is for real, you know. And I was telling a fellow trader before January came around, I said, I just got a feeling that Bitcoin is going to be taken serious. Maybe I want to transition from the S&P 500, not necessarily be doing options anymore, and just be involved in cryptocurrency. You know, at the time, cryptocurrency seems to be more, as we say, more of a swing trade and not so much as scalping. I mean, you have to have a pretty high leverage to be scalping cryptocurrency, which some people do. You know, some people have high leverage. I'm not one of those people. I'm just an average Joe out there, you know, trying to become a crypto millionaire, trying to collect my currency, my coins. So we're involved in this community. We're involved in the Twitter. We're involved in the Shib family right now, and we have been involved for quite a while. From there, I pretty much bought some Shibabone right now, which is like at 82 cents. It's extremely cheap. It's only on one exchange. It's not on several exchanges yet, but Shiba Inu has had a lot of success. They're out there. They're on Coinbase now. Things are happening with Shiba Inu. So this is Shiba Inu. It's part of its economy, which is leash, bone, you know, and basically things are happening. People are producing in cryptocurrency. They're using programs. They're using new programming, and money seems to be becoming obsolete. This is what's going on. So we see a lot of money being pumped in the United States, and I don't think this crisis is going to change overnight. I don't think things are going to change overnight, but I do believe Bitcoin is going to have in 2024 possibly go to 150,000 by then, and who knows in 2028. So I was happy to get involved, happy to start building my cryptocurrencies, and these are the things that I'm building on. So today when we talk about Bitcoin, what is my position? And, you know, I had originally said as a trader you get used to following the charts and so forth, and I had called it. I said, you know, Bitcoin's not going to go over 52,000. I said, it's going to go back down. A lot of people are like, yeah, it's going to go to 100,000, it's going to go to 50,000. And I was like, no, it's not going to make it. Sure enough, when we look at the chart, I'm pretty sure it made it to like 63, 65,000, you know. So it held about 63,000. That's where it held, you know. And then it started going down again. And they're talking about the heat map in Bitcoin and how you're following the months that it's red, the months that it's green. Basically, you start doing some chart analysis. And right now, the debate was whether it was going to go under 40,000 or just stay at 43,000 and work its way up. So my personal opinion on that is that the Fibonacci, we're going to see um, we're going to see a bull market from here to January. You know, China's FUD is repeated. It's old news. You know, China keeps pushing the same FUD that they're not involved in Bitcoin. They don't want Bitcoin moving around and all that, and they're trying to protect their own currency, whatever. But United States is picking up the slack. New companies, PayPal, Coinbase, you name it. Now we're starting to see payments being able to made on Twitter. People are setting up their wallets, and you know we saw an increase from 1 million people in 2018 to 3 million, and then I think 3 million or to 100 million basically. I think it was 100 million in 2020, and now in 2021, 300 million people are involved worldwide in cryptocurrency. The ratio is something like 3.9% of the world. So when I look at those ratios and I'm like, okay, it's only 3.9% of the world. Where is it going to be 10 years from now? What's that percentage going to be? And I'm thinking, this is the future. People don't want paper money anymore. People are not going to be involved in paper money. It's just a matter of discovering which coins are going to survive and what functions they're involved in. And as an investor, we need to be involved now in those investments and there for the transition. So I think, honestly, those who are involved early, they're going to hit it big. There are already people that are millionaires right now, crypto millionaires. And I said, I want to be one of those people. I want to be a crypto millionaire, you know. So right now, we're just following the daily. And like I said, I think it's going to go up October to November for sure. And hopefully December, and hopefully to the first or second week of January. My call is that it goes back to 65K, and I'm calling it that it's gonna maybe possibly go to 67,000. You know, and as Bitcoin runs up, all the other coins go up. Those coins that follow Bitcoin, they go up. So if it goes up, they go up. You know, and basically to the end of January, and after that, yeah, it's pretty much going to be a bear market. It's going to follow the same 4-year pattern. You know, could we be going sideways for a long time? Yes, I think so. And those of us who are involved in scalping, hopefully we can get scalping involved, and we can see other projects. So, you know, when we go over here and we look at Bitcoin, where it's at, someone made a comment in Shiba Inu. We got whales coming into our group. We got whales buying in millions of dollars. You know, and when I pull up Shiba Inu right here, so we pull up SHIB, and here's the thing, guys. You know, saying that we're going into a bear market and saying that basically, you know, Bitcoin's eventually going to crash. Well, what do you want to do? You want to transition out of that. If you're in a high, you want to get into a coin, obviously, that is in a low position. So the way to save your money is transfer it, exchange it for a coin that's in a low position, but a coin that has a future, a coin that's definitely going to go up. So, you know, they were talking about in the SHIB group today. A lot of whales are buying millions of dollars worth of Shiba Inu. And to me, it only seems logical. If I'm in at 43, I'm in at 44,000 right now. I don't know if it's going to crash. I'm going to change it for a coin that's already 95% off. It's already at the bottom. It hasn't even gone up yet. And when you think about this strategy, you're buying in low. That's what you do. You buy in low, you sell high. So a lot of whales are buying in right now in Shiba Inu. It's low, but Shiba Inu has a purpose. It's being used like a utility. There's an ecosystem going on. There's a lot of things going on that are being built around it. There is Leash. There's Bone. There's Ryoshi Vision. So there's Shiba Swap also, you know, which is a decentralized exchange where you can exchange your coins like Uniswap. Probably under Uniswap. It wouldn't surprise me if that's the case. But, you know, we see these decentralized exchanges for for just that, for swapping out coins in a moment, rather than cashing out and getting USD. So there's a lot of strategies going on behind it. And like I was telling you guys, I personally own Bone. So I'll put it up right here. I don't know. I'm a Bone fan. And I got Shibabone off of Shibaswap. So we're going to go ahead and pull that up. And if we look at Shibabone right here, guys, it is at 82 cents. You know, I added to my position. I bought in. As it was going down, I bought in. I'd say $3, $2. I was buying in. So, excuse me. So if we look right here, where Bone is right now. Now this is the interesting things. Coins, they have caps, and if they have huge caps, we don't know. It depends on what it's being used for, the purpose of what it's being used for. So it all comes back to these programs, what they're using them for, or what are they involved in. And this particular coin, Bone, Shibabone, has a 250 million cap, so it's limited. It's very limited, you know. And when you think about the cap is so small, 250 million. It just takes volume to push this thing. It's gonna shoot right up, you know, because it's so limited on how many coins there are. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the value, the mere fact that Shibaswap, true to what the devs said they were gonna make Shibaswap, they did exactly that. The creators of Shiba Inu are amazing. Now they're talking about Shibarium right now. So these leaders that are producing this particular coin, they do exactly what they say they're going to do. So, you know, now SHIB is popular. SHIB is out there. And we're seeing it on Coinbase, which is one of the biggest exchanges right here in the United States. And now we're seeing Shibabone, which is particularly only centralized on Shibaswap. So this coin hasn't even made it out to the main market yet. If you look at the historical data, you're going to see low volume exchanges going on. So people are thinking, you know, I got in at 77 cents. I'm like, oh my God, I'm not going to pass this up. You know, so when we talk about the exposure to new coins, some of the coins are not even, they don't have access to all the markets. And the question is, are they going to be open to more exchanges? I'm trying to talk to the leadership today and say, hey, you know, when is Shibabone going on more exchanges, you know? Because I know if it goes on 2-3 exchanges, forget it. This coin is going to blow up. It's not if. It will blow up. With a $250 million cap, with only the volume that is exchanged is only like 1 million, if that, on a daily basis. It's just low volume that's currently working at it. So people don't realize that, you know, there's a future for this coin. It just needs more exposure. It just needs to be on more exchanges, and this thing's going to skyrocket. The high here was, I think, $15.50 when it opened up. So it was as high as $15.50. And wow, it hits a bottom low, 95% drop to 77 cents. And I said, oh my God, it's 95% down. I'm buying this. I'm buying Bone. You know, and different people buy different coins. We need to respect that. You know, different people have different investments. I wish we could all invest in all the different coins that are going on at the same time. You know, we could talk a little bit more about that. But today I just wanted to talk about October, and I just want to let you guys know that I think we're going to have a bull run. I think October's coming in for a bull run, and it's looking green. There's a green candle today, and we're not even in October. October is starting tomorrow, guys. So this is Gideon 300, and I'm sharing my information with you. And hopefully I can get online and talk to you guys about mining, about Ethereum, and, you know, about other subjects that are going on. So look for Gideon 300 on Twitter. And thank you for being with me today. You know, today is Thursday, September 30th, and we're discussing cryptocurrency. Is it the future? I believe so. Are things only going to go up? Yes. For swing traders and for investors, long term, I see it going to 150,000. I only see it going up. Can it go down for a while? Obviously, those things are going to happen. But the important thing is cryptocurrency taking over the world? Yes. Are changes coming? Yes. Are changes needed? Definitely. Money is failing. Things are not as promising as we'd like. And, the ability to send crypto money anywhere and keep an e-wallet and just have complete control of your transactions, there's a lot of benefits to being part of the crypto world. So I'm loving it, and I'm loving all the people that I meet in stock exchanges, that I'm meeting in cryptocurrencies, and all the people that I've gotten to know over the years. Such a pleasure to work with other people and learn from them and learn their strategies. Someone had said, just build your portfolio, just build your portfolio, get involved. Do you believe cryptocurrency is the future? I do. And look at the companies that are picking it up every day. Starbucks, foods, etc. Look at PayPal. Look at Twitter now. Except, people are getting involved. People are doing Bitcoin more, and this is only the beginning. Imagine 3.9% of the population of the world has cryptocurrency, and imagine how many people are not involved in cryptocurrency at all that would like to start their financial future and just having transactions that don't get lost. My wife has a friend in Colombia right now, and she went to send money over there via Western Union, all right? And so she goes to send money, and previously she had sent other stuff. Listen to this. She sent other stuff through the post office to Colombia, and it never got lost. But all of a sudden she sends money, a money order, and next thing you know, it's lost. When the post office is saying, hey, I'm sorry, we don't know what happened. Well, wait a minute. You found this place before, and then all of a sudden my wife's sending money. She's sending a money order, and suddenly you lost it? Yeah, that doesn't really make sense. So she's filing a claim right now. And these are the things that we look at. When someone has a crypto wallet, an e-wallet, you could just send crypto money to anybody. I've done posts on Twitter right now. I said, somebody's going to win some Shibabone. And I posted up there, and I says, I'm paying it forward. I'm gonna bless someone. I'm gonna send them some Shibabone, And I just wanted to do that. I just wanted to give away money instead of drinking Starbucks for a week. I spend my money on coins right now. It's a pretty exciting time, and with the NFTs, NFTs coming in and digital art being accepted and being sold, there's so many uses that we're seeing coming in. So once again, these are the things that we're looking at, and this is the stock market. It's 4:40 at night, so let's get excited. If you have any comments about this, please let me know. This is Gideon 300, and let's get involved in crypto. And I'm hoping for a bull market starting in October right now, starting today, tonight, and tomorrow. And I'm believing in that push up. I want to be a bull. I'm not a bear, guys. I want to see a bunch of crypto millionaires, and I want to learn from the professionals that are out there. And I just want to get involved and see change and see the little guys succeed. All right? How many new little guys can be lifted up in these times? How many new little guys can be involved? 3.9% of the population believes in cryptocurrency. 300 million sounds like a lot, but it isn't. It isn't. Not even compared to currency and other trading, fiat. Oh no, we're barely getting started, guys. So those of us who get in early, I believe we have the opportunity to do really good. Okay, so this is Gideon 300. Thank you. Put your comments below, and let's see tomorrow. I'll go ahead and post up another message tomorrow if Bitcoin is continuing on a bull market with every other coin behind it. Bitcoin, let's go. Ethereum, let's go. Cardano, let's go. Shibabone, let's go. Other coins that you guys are posting up, let's go. And hey, let's be positive and let's get into the future. Thank you, guys. Be blessed. This is Gideon 300. Thank you. Have a good day.